Hey everyone, and welcome to the quick tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how I snap my objects according to the vertice. As you can see, I have a project and I need to snap my object according to a specific vertice. As you can see, I have set my object for my pivot point. I set my pivot to that vertex in my 3D application. But right now, I just need that snapping to temporarily according to that vertice right below that vertice. So of course I have a chance if I press V and just move, it also snaps to the vertex, but as you can see, it snaps according to that vertice, that pivot vertice. Anyway, so instead what I'm doing, I just middle mouse click and move my pivot point. By doing so, it also temporarily moves your snap origin to this position. As you can see, the new snap in position is that pivot. And middle mouse click and also move that pivot, and also press Alt and V, and I snap it to that up corner. Do it again, middle mouse click, but this time I just select the upper arrow, the Z arrow, middle mouse click and move it down, press Alt and V and snap it to the below. Right now, if I press V and move it in the x-axis, I have no problem of snapping to the where I want. So, hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any questions, you are free to comment in the below. So, see you in the next video.